the outcome of the election has had and will have no impact on the commitment of this administration and this country to invest in a strong security relationship with Israel. That means that the military-to-military relationship between our two countries remains strong, that the intelligence community relationships that exist will continue to be characterized by regular sharing of intelligence and the exchange of information that only enhances the security of Israeli citizens and American citizens. These kinds of relationships are critical to the security of the Israeli people, and those kinds of relationships and that kind of cooperation will continue. That is something that I've said on a number of occasions over the last 2 or 3 days. That is something that the president repeated in his phone call with Prime Minister Netanyahu, and I'll point out that that is something that the president said to Prime Minister Netanyahu at the very beginning of their conversation. And I think that is an indication that that's where our relationship starts. But you've also heard me raise significant concerns that we have here about some of the divisive election day political tactics that were deployed by the Prime Minister's political party on Election Day. And you've also heard me raise concerns about the Prime Minister indicating withdrawal of his country's commitments to a two-state solution. And those are views that we've discussed at some length in this venue over the last day or two. And those were topics that the president raised directly with the Prime Minister in that phone call, as I said that he would.